Hello student, in previous video I have proved some basic formula of first shifting theorem and proof of the first shifting theorem. Now I'm going to solve some example based on first shifting theorem. So first question here I've taken, find the Laplace transform of the following: Laplace of cos 2t sin t upon e raised to t. So whenever it give the e raised to t, this means we have to apply the first shifting theorem. So first of all, you have to solve the cos 2t and sin t. Try to bring in the linear forms. So you have to multiply and divide by 2 and using the formula 2 sin a cos b. So 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. By this formula here sin 3t and sin t minus 2t is minus sin t and sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here will come minus sin t. Now providing the Laplace of each terms. So we know the formula Laplace of sin a t is a upon s square plus a square. So by this formula, instead of a, write down 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. Here instead of a is 1, so 1 upon s square plus a square. So first part is over. Now we have to apply the first shifting theorem, means you have to find the Laplace of this entire parts. So Laplace of e raised to minus t cos 2t sin t equal to 1 upon 2, and then in shifting theorems here is given minus e raised to a t upon t equal to phi of s. So instead of s we have to write down s plus 1 the whole square, because a is given minus 1, and here 1 upon s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 equal to half 3 upon s square plus 2s plus 10 minus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2. Now do the cross multiplication or you can do the simplification, you will get these final results. A second example I have taken, find the Laplace transform of sin 2t cos t and hyperbolic function of cos e raised to 2. But here is not given the in exponential form. So try to be recognize the problems. So first of all, you have to find the sin 2t and cos 2t by using the formula 2 sin a into cos b. So you have to multiply and divide by 2. So here we'll get the half sin 3t and sin a minus b is sin t. So 1 by 2 sin 3t plus sin t. Now this will be the apply hyperbolic function of cos h equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2. So instead of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is, we have to write down the half e raised to 2t plus e raised to minus 2t. Now we have to multiply of each term. E raised to 2t into sin 3t, e raised to 2t equal to sin t, e raised to minus 2t into sin 3t, e raised to minus 2t sin. So after the multiplication, we'll get this step, and here we have to arrange these steps. So half of e raised to 2t sin 3t plus e raised to minus 2t sin 3t plus half of e raised to 2t sin t plus e raised to minus 2t sin t. So now providing the Laplace of each terms. So half of Laplace e raised to 2t sin 3t plus e raised to minus 2t sin 3t plus half of Laplace e raised to 2t sin t plus e raised to minus 2t sin t. And then we have to find the Laplace of each term. So first of all, I'm going to find the Laplace of sin 3t. So Laplace of sin 3t is 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. So use this formula, Laplace of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square. Then here is given in the exponential form, e raised to 2t sin 3t, means we have to apply the first shifting theorems. So Laplace of e raised to bt sin at equal to a upon s minus b the whole square plus a square. So instead of b is given 2, we have to write down 3 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 9. And then similarly we can find the Laplace of e raised to minus 2t sin 3t. Here also use the first shifting theorems. So by first shifting theorem, this will be 3 upon s plus 2 the whole square plus 9. Use this formula. So instead of b is given 2, so write down a upon s plus b the whole square plus a square. Next we have to find the Laplace of sin t. So sin t is 1 upon s square plus 1 square. Now use the first shifting theorem. So first shifting theorem, Laplace of e raised to 2t sin t equal to 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 1 by using this formula. And Laplace of e raised to minus 2t sin t equal to 1 upon s plus 2 the whole square plus 1 by using this formula. So after all value, we will get the, and we have to substitute in equation number 1. So this value is, we have to write down 3 s minus 2 the whole square plus 9 here, and the second is the 3 upon s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 here, and then Laplace of e raised to sin 2t is 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 1. So write down here, and Laplace of e raised to minus 2t sin t is, we have to substitute over here. So thanks for watching the videos.